Hey everybody, welcome to episode 16 of the Game Audio Vlog. It's Monday. My name is Adam, and I wanted to say thank you if you've been watching any of the last videos from the last few weeks. I've gotten some really great feedback, especially from the last couple of videos about making a demo reel and why a demo isn't enough and all of that sort of stuff. It's just really good to know that you guys are watching and paying attention and even getting something out of it. That's really cool. So all of you who have said something to me, much appreciated. All of you who have been watching or dropped a comment or whatever, thank you very much. This week is going to be kind of a little bit of a response to that. Actually, the next couple of weeks are going to be a response to that. And I wanted to outline, I've got a big plan of what I'm going to walk you through from here on out for almost the next month. It might be a full month if I get enough feedback and have to kind of go into more depth on some things. So my goal over the next three-ish, I said parentheses, weeks, I've mapped this out on my calendar, and I think it's going to be about 3 weeks, but I wanted to let, my calendar be what it is and be flexible if it needs to be. We're going to do a complete, full, step-by-step sound design demo project using Wwise and Unity. This is something I kind of alluded to before with 3 Rooms 30 Seconds, which is what I was doing a couple of weeks ago, but we're going to go do the full meal deal from beginning to end. There's game audio schools and other places that you can watch videos to learn this, but I feel like everywhere that I've gone and done something like this, there's been like a little bit of something that's missing that doesn't teach me enough of what I wanted to know. So I'm going to try to cover a lot of ground that's already been covered in even more detail and then give you detail beyond that too. We're going to use bullet point what we're going to do. We're going to set up and integrate software packages. So the stuff we've already shown you in the videos from earlier 2 weeks ago. We're going to make a full list of sounds required for your demo project or demo game. Going to fully integrate all of the design sounds. I'm not going to walk you through how to design sounds necessarily unless that's something that's really, really asked for. I'm going to assume that you somewhat already know how to do that, or at least I'll give you inspiration behind where I made my sounds, but I don't want to kind of harp on somebody else's creativity. I think that designing sounds is something that you kind of have to get an ear for, and not everybody does it the same way, and you carve your own path is what I kind of feel like is what I want to tell you. Rather than here's how to do it, I'd rather somebody play with crayons and screw it up a million times and find the way that they feel inspired to do it than like just spelling it out for you. Anyway, next bullet point, incorporate music to the game, which is lightly quote-unquote adaptive, meaning it responds to the input of the user. We're not going to go crazy with it, just a couple of different states, just to show you the basics of what you can do. Then custom code RTPCs, which is a Wwise thing called real-time parameter controls using C# and Wwise. So we'll be taking C# code that interacts with the Wwise software package, and then the game and its sounds will change dynamically based on user input, essentially is what that means. And then we're going to walk through this with enough depth that you can do it on your own. So I'm going to show you the basics of what I've done already. So this is the game without sound. Into the Space is the demo project we're going to be using. I'll shut up. And then here's the game with sound. So I've done that full sound design already just for my own purposes and my own demo reel, which I actually haven't even put together yet because I've been so busy doing this, which I kind of feel like is a little bit more important. But hopefully I'm going to walk you guys through all of that from beginning to end so you can do it yourself, making your own sounds. And if you don't know how to actually walk through a full Wwise Unity integration with a 2D game, which is different than a 3D game. If you haven't ever done this before, doing 3D is slightly different than doing 2D. This is what we're going to do. So if you want to go ahead and prep for what we're going to do tomorrow and get yourself ahead of the game, go ahead and download the latest version of Unity if you don't already have it. Go ahead and download the latest version of Wwise if you don't already have it, and then go download the latest version of the Wwise Unity integration package if you don't already have it. Those will be found at audiokinetic.com and unity3d.com. I'll put some links in the show notes, and also you can refer to the Wwise Unity integration video that I've already done, which I will link right now. But yeah, if you want to go ahead and prep and be ready for what I'm going to talk about tomorrow, which is creating a new project, downloading the Into the Space demo project that is in the Unity Asset Store, and then integrating everything. That's what we're going to walk over tomorrow. Then go ahead and do all that stuff, and you'd be even in better shape if you watch the Unity Wwise integration video that I've already done too. So I'm looking forward to this. Go ahead and tell people that this is going to happen if you know anybody who's interested or you want to learn more about Unity and Wwise. I'm going to try to walk through it in as much depth as people ask for. So if you respond to these videos and say, hey, I didn't understand this, how do you do this? I might actually go and make a custom video just based off a question. So yeah, hope that this is exciting to you, and we'll see you back again tomorrow on episode 17. Thanks. Have a good day.